So students, we start. What are the rules for the image formation in a spherical mirror? There are 4 rules for the formation of image. First rule. What is first rule? First rule is, if a ray is moving parallel to the principal axis, this is a concave mirror. This is pole. This is focus. And this is center of curvature. The distance between pole and focus and the focus and center of curvature remains same. So if a ray is coming parallel to the principal axis, it always passes through the focus. This is first rule. For a convex mirror, this is convex mirror. This is focus. And this is center of curvature. If a ray is coming parallel to the principal axis, it appears that it is coming from the focus. It appears that it is coming from the focus. This is first rule. So in the first rule, if a ray coming parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, it passes from the focus. In a convex mirror, if a ray is coming parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, it appears that it is coming from the focus. Now second rule. Second rule, if a ray is coming from focus, focus, center of curvature. If a ray is coming from focus, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. For a convex mirror, this is focus, this is center of curvature. If a ray is coming towards the focus, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. So in second rule, if a ray is coming from focus, it becomes parallel after reflection in a concave mirror. And if a ray is coming towards focus in a convex mirror, it becomes parallel to the principal axis. Now we come to the third rule. Third rule is, if a ray is coming from center of curvature, focus, center of curvature. If a ray is coming from center of curvature, if a ray is coming from center of curvature, it reflected back at its own path. In a convex mirror, if a ray is coming towards the center of curvature, it reflected back at its own track in a convex mirror. And the last rule, fourth rule, in a concave mirror, if a ray is coming towards the pole, it reflected back in such a way that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. So if a ray is, in fourth rule, if a ray is coming towards the pole of the mirror, it reflected back in such a way that angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. And the last, in the fourth rule, for a convex mirror, if a ray again strike at the pole, it again reflected in such a way that angle I is equal to angle R. Angle I is equal to angle R. So these are the four rules for the formation of image in convex and concave mirror. In my next video, we will learn how the image is formed in the convex and concave mirror.